Carmen, isn't it fair that you really don't have a memory about what happened in February and March of 2022?
What do you mean by that?
Well, when you were interviewed in 2023, you didn't remember what had happened, correct?
Correct. It's a lot to take in.
It's a lot to take in. And you didn't remember it a year after the fact. So you really don't even remember now what happened in 2022. It's been laid out for you by someone else, correct?
Due to data, cell phone data and everything, yes.
All right, so whatever memory you have is what was, you don't have a personal memory, it was shown to you.
No, I have partial memory.
You have a partial memory.
I have memory, yes.
All right, fair to say your memory was better 1 year after the fact than 4 years after the fact, right?
It is confusing later on, years later, yes.
Okay. And you were using and selling that whole time in drug court?
I was not using and selling the whole time.
The whole period we're talking about of February and March of 2022?
Yes.
Kouri never once asked you for fentanyl, correct?
I had told her that that's what Robbie had, and she said, okay, go ahead and get it.
Okay. Let me ask the question again. Kouri never asked you for fentanyl, true?
Yes.
And the last time you went back was after Eric Richins died, correct?
I'm not sure.
You know Eric died on March 4th, correct?
It was March 5th he passed away?
Well, I think it was March 4th, but either way, the pills were after he passed away, correct? And again, year after the fact, you said numerous times, I bought pills for Mr. Crozier twice, correct?
Correct.
Now you're saying 3 times, 4 years later, correct?
Correct.
Because that's been told to you because of some data you saw, correct?
Yes, correct.
But you don't remember that.
No, I don't know.
Do you remember how many times you agreed to meet her at the Draper?
Like I said, it was 4 years ago. I remember once clearly, maybe twice.
Could there have been a third time?
I don't think so.
At that time, in early 2022, you would not have been telling Carmen Lauber, here, these are fentanyl.
No, I didn't have a fentanyl plug at that time. Like, I didn't know anybody that sold fentanyl at that time. I told them that I'm pretty sure that I sold her Roxy's and not fentanyl.
You told them basically the same thing that you said in September of 2025 and what you're saying today
Yes.
in your testimony.